Hi there. We are with another video for this channel, and today we're going to talk about other important topic in Python. We're continuing with this series of video, and uh, we are on the I don't know 10 days, 7 days. I don't remember. If you don't know what about talking. I have a challenging when I have a challenge for upload one video every day for 30 days, and I started in um, the 14 of this month to upload video every day, and I don't know what you say, but today we're going to talk about another topic in Python. Um, let's start. Okay, we're continue, and today we're going to talk about strings and Python casting. This is this topic is this topic belong to data types, and uh, we are going to identify or into more deep to casting in no, on strings of Python. But now we're going to review this of the Python casting. Okay, what do we have here in Python? In casting, sometimes we are going to need convert a number, for example, of int to uh, to a float, or a float to int, or you are going to need convert from a string number from int. Okay, and we have some constructor functions here. The first is int. Okay, this construct is an integer number from an integer literal, a float literal. This is gonna be convert float numbers to an integer number, removing all decimals. Okay, and float is the other constructor function, where when you put um, a number into a float. For example, you put 4. This going to convert to 4.0. Okay, all number into the float, we're going to convert to the number integer. We have str construct using from a wide variety of data types, including strings, integer literals, and float literals. If you have, for example, here an int, x will be 1, okay, because int is an integer. Int 2.8, y will be 2, because integer to convert to a minimum, okay, not to a maximum. If you have 2.9, this gonna be 2, okay, 2. If you have 2.6, this gonna be 2. And if you try to convert a tree, but this is a strings number. This is a string number because we have here camel case. No, camel case not. I don't know how do you say comillas in English, but this symbol. Okay. Uh, if you need to convert this to a number, you can involve int, but you need to consider something. If you put here into the tree, for example, a word, for example, a Pedrito, or Jaimito, or I don't know, Pirititi, I don't know. If you if you put uh, a text into this variable, and you need to convert, you have an error in the terminal. Why? Because it doesn't have a sense. For example, I'm going to put here my name. my name because this is a text. You cannot convert a text into a number or in an integer. Doesn't have sense. Okay, that's it for that. So we're going to continue. Okay, here we have more examples.